can only show you the door. You have to walk through it.
Hello guys, welcome to the Crypto Matrix. I'm Mr. Legend. In this video, we'll be taking a look at an altcoin, Dogecoin. Dogecoin, the king of memes, is up 6% in the last 24 hours, is up 190% over the last 1 year. Currently trading around $0.23 with a market cap of over $34 billion. The million-dollar question is, how high can Dogecoin go in this market cycle? Can it break new all-time highs? Is this time different? Look at Dogecoin's performance against the US dollar. Dogecoin has been an OG. It's been here since 2014. Long price history. Can we continue shooting up to new all-time highs every cycle? Look at Dogecoin's performance against the king of the market, Bitcoin. And finally, we look at Dogecoin's market cap. Can we rally to that $100 billion level yet again? We'll talk about that and more in this video. But first, guys, an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. So when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. Do the necessary research and analysis before making any investment decision. Let's get down to business. Right now, sentiment is good in the cryptocurrency market. There's greed in the cryptocurrency market. Bitcoin trades above $115,000. All coins might be going parabolic over the next few days. It's good to say we're getting ready to be singing Kumbaya. But guys, you need to plan your trade and you need to trade your plan. You need to know what you're getting into. Right now, Dogecoin sits around the $0.23 level. You would have had tales of epic rallies that Dogecoin has had in the past. It's very, very important to know how high we might probably go for you not to get carried away with the sauce. Now, let me take you back in time. Let me show you something that Dogecoin does year in, year out, cycle in, cycle out. After the rally in 2013, which was the first altcoin season, the first Bitcoin bull market, we saw Dogecoin rallied up, market participants were excited, over 1,000% pump, but then began the true journey for altcoins, which is the dump to Goblin Town. Now, in the bear market, altcoins can be very volatile to the downside. You can see 90+% dumps in the cryptocurrency market, but I'll show you guys they always recover, and that's where we get good opportunities when those coins are down 90+%, because that's what happened to Dogecoin. First saw Dogecoin losing 96% of its value in its first full crypto bear market. But 96% of its value, yes, that was crazy, but that was the good time to accumulate, because Dogecoin gave us a sweet 2 years to accumulate at those low prices. And after those 2 years, 2.5 years was done, what happened? We saw another parabolic pump for Dogecoin. Now, these pumps come at the end of a bull market cycle. Usually, that's what history has shown happens. That's when all coins go parabolic. And in Dogecoin's case, it went up by over 9,400% in just under a year. Mind you, it had spent 2.5 years just going sideways. The market goes through 4 phases. You see accumulation, you see markup, you see distribution, and eventually you will see markdown. Now, the markup period is where market participants call Altseason. That's where all coins outperform Bitcoin. That's where $1,000 could easily turn to $100,000, but with a lot of patience. Now, another bear market came through. Volatility in the altcoin market, it's a future, it's not a bug. The bear markets are very predictable at this point in time. There's going to be huge decline in the altcoin market. Market participants are going to capitulate at wrong prices, but then that's where you get your opportunity, because if you look at what Dogecoin did, it had another 90+% dump to Goblin Town, which took around 819 days to be completed. It got completed during the COVID sell-off, but that was another wonderful buying opportunity. How do we know that? The price chart can tell us that, because eventually in 2021, guys, what happened was that Dogecoin gave us the biggest pump we've ever seen. That was when Elon Musk got on the trend. That's when Dogecoin was going to the moon. Everything was going to the moon then. $1,000 invested in Dogecoin, guys, would have returned over $500,000, because Dogecoin went up by over 50,000% in the 2021 bull market. So if you hear a lot of people talking about Dogecoin this cycle, Dogecoin is the king of meme coins. Dogecoin was not just launched yesterday. It's been here since 2013. It's been here for as long as Bitcoin. As a matter of fact, it's even older than Ethereum. It's an OG coin. Can it get to new all-time highs? That's the second part of the tales. That will require a lot of work on our part. We saw Dogecoin attempting to get to new all-time highs in December of 2024. After the bottom of the bear market that came in for it in 2022, we saw it rally up by around 800%. So in December of 2024, we're already 800% off the bottom, even though we didn't get to new all-time highs. Now, at all-time highs, that's where people sing Kumbaya. That's where we're all going to the moon. CNBC is talking about how Dogecoin might flip Bitcoin or flip Ethereum. We have two key levels to watch out for. The $0.48 level, that's where we got rejected in December of 2024. Then the $0.71 level, that's the previous all-time highs. For us to get to the previous all-time highs, guys, we need around a 200% rally for Dogecoin. Now, knowing how parabolic the altcoin market can get at the end of a cycle, knowing how fast these altcoins can move, a 200% pump can easily happen in 1 or 2 weeks. First, we need to clear that $0.46 level. That will require us to see Dogecoin rallying by around 100%. And right now, all coins are showing us double-digit gains across the board, triple-digit gains across the board. Bitcoin dominance is declining, which is very, very good for all coins. Conditions to see Bitcoin dominance declining and all coins increasing happens far and in between. The cryptocurrency markets, there's always greed when that's happening. Market participants are flicking to the altcoin market, and that eventually leads to all coins going parabolic. Now, with Dogecoin sitting at the $0.2 level, its market cap, fully diluted market cap, sits at $34 billion. If you want to get some Dogecoin for yourself, you can do that on Binance, on Bybit, on Coinbase Exchange, and anywhere you get your popular altcoins, you can get some Dogecoin right there. The all-time high for Dogecoin came in on the 8th of May 2021. We saw it trading for as high as $0.73. Right now, Dogecoin is down 68% from that all-time highs. If you look at Dogecoin's performance against the king of the market, Bitcoin, it dumps when the market is dumping, but when we get to those altcoin season period, huge parabolic run. But guys, you have to be very, very careful. Every pump you see eventually leads to a dump at some point in time in the nearest future. Dogecoin did something strange last cycle. It was one of the few altcoins to set all-time highs against Bitcoin. It didn't just do that like that, guys. There was a long period of accumulation from January of 2014. We saw Dogecoin not able to set new all-time highs against Bitcoin. Even with the crazy pump we had in 2017, couldn't set new all-time highs against Bitcoin. But finally, over 7 or 8 years, the accumulation was done. That's from 2014 to 2021. Dogecoin was going sideways against Bitcoin, and when it finally broke out of that range, oh my lord, it went parabolic. That was why we saw Dogecoin going 500x in 2021 against the US dollar. Against Bitcoin, we saw it pumping by more than 20%. See, more than 20%, more than 20x from 11th of January 2021 to end of the bull market. One Bitcoin invested in Dogecoin would have fetched you 75 Bitcoin. But with huge gains come huge losses, and that's what market participants have been surviving on. I've been struggling with since 2021 for Dogecoin. We've seen it lose value against Bitcoin drastically, losing around 88% of its value. In the coming days and the coming weeks, our altcoins go parabolic. I won't be shocked to see Dogecoin go up 100, maybe 200% against Bitcoin. I'm not expecting anything crazy. 140% pump against Bitcoin will take Dogecoin back to where we're trading in November of 2024, which can happen very, very quickly. Now, if you look at Dogecoin's market cap, we sit around $34 billion level. For us to get to new all-time highs, we need to go up around 100%. Dogecoin's previous all-time highs is around the $94 billion level. We got there in 2021. 2021 was a crazy time in the cryptocurrency market. Dogecoin is the OG meme coin, and we saw it almost hitting the $100 billion level. I believe we might get to the $100 billion level this cycle, but that will take a little work from Dogecoin. For Dogecoin to get to that $100 billion from where we're currently trading right now, we need to see Dogecoin end the cycle on a strong note. It needs to pull out around the 200% gain. Guys, drop your thoughts in the comment section. Dogecoin trading around the $0.23 level. Do you believe $1 is possible? Maybe $2. The all-time high is $0.71. Do you believe we're going to be breaking to new all-time highs in this market cycle? Drop your thoughts about that in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like these. Turn on the post notification to get notified anytime I drop a new video, anytime I go live. Remember, guys, when it comes to investing, Nothing will pay off more than educating yourself, and investment in knowledge pays the best interest. So invest for the long haul. Don't get too scared. Don't get too greedy. See you guys in my next video.
Remember, all I'm offering is the truth, nothing more. Unfortunately, no one can be told what the Matrix is. You have to see it for yourself.